Hey everyone, what's up? This is the Snake Game Console Max. The updated Snake Game Console incorporates two RGB 64 by 32 P3 matrix panel into a single ultra wide 128 by 32 display. It uses the same Pico 2 display driver as the previous project, but I designed a new 3D printed frame to accommodate both display adequately, complete with integrated hand grips and a D-pad button PCB for snake control. We developed the original Snake game by reusing and tweaking code from the previous Snake game project. The game focus stays on a simple snake object, which you can control with 4 directional buttons to aim for randomly appearing red dot around the LCD grid. Every time the snake eats a dot, it grows longer and your score, shown in the upper right corner, increases accordingly. This version includes a visible border around the entire display. If the snake hits this border, the game stops immediately, after adding additional level of difficulty to the game experience. We also added a speed up option that allows the snake to move quicker when any button is held down for a second in the direction it's moving. The console is powered by an inbuilt 3.7V 2600 mAh lithium-ion battery, making it completely portable and easy to pick up and play anywhere. For this project, we are combining two 64 by 32 P3 RGB matrix panel to create a larger 128 by 32 P3 RGB matrix. For additional details on this display, please check out the intro video I created. This panel is powered by a Hub 75 interface, which uses a variety of control pins, such as RGB pins, address, clock, data latch, and output enable pins. This matrix was produced by Waveshare, and more thorough details on this matrix board can be found on its wiki page. For sourcing this matrix panel, we got it from PCBWay's gift shop. The first step in developing the Snake Game Console Max was to create an updated 3D model of the housing to suit the improved dual display setup. The newer version combines two 64 by 32 P3 RGB LED matrix panel in a seamless 128 by 32 display, resulting in an even wider playfield. We reused the original switchboard and the Pico driver circuit. To structurally unite the two panels, we created and incorporate two customized frame holder components that link panels and keep them aligned. The left and right hand grips were also rebuilt, not just to handle the larger chassis but to improve comfort. The revised grip are more ergonomic, making lengthy gameplay session more enjoyable. For more information on the detailed assembly process, please visit this project page. Link is in the video description. In this project, we are reusing two PCBs from the previous Snake Game Console project. That were the button board and the Pico driver board. Two orders were placed, one for the button board and one for the Pico driver. The button board PCB was ordered in white solder mask and black sail screen, while the Pico driver PCB was ordered in blue solder mask and white sail screen. After placing the order, PCBs were received within a week and the PCB quality was pretty great. PCBWay is currently celebrating their 11th anniversary with a festive community event running from June 18 to July 18, 2025. Participants can unlock a series of 6 unique cards by completing fun and engaging activities such as reading a special letter, claiming coupons, watch promotional videos, etc. Each completed task unlock a card, and collecting all 6 grant you an additional lucky draw chance. It's a great way to get involved, showcase your work, and maybe even win something exciting along the way. You guys can check out PCBWay if you want great PCB service at an affordable rate and low price. This project resulted in an even longer Snake Game Console, transforming a nostalgic classic into a widescreen portable gaming experience. This version's dual RGB matrix panel, flawlessly combined into a longer display, provide a more immersive gaming experience and a better visual feedback. The addition of border brings the classic arcade challenge to life. Hit the wall and the game is over. Dynamic speed control increases intensity by allowing gamers to accelerate with single button press. The sleek housing with ergonomic handles and snappy D-pad make it not only useful but enjoyable to hold and use. Overall, this project is finally completed. Please let me know if you require any additional assistance. All the document, file and code are included in the project page which you can check out. In addition, we appreciate PCBWay's support of this project. Visit them for a variety of PCB related services such as stencil service, PCB assembly service as well as 3D printing services. Thanks for reaching this far and I'll be back with a new project pretty soon. Peace out.